ABC News, New York.
All right, so I had some time off, you had some time off, reunited again.
Yes, it's good.
And on a great sunny day after
Finally.
Yesterday's rain.
Alex Liggett, back in the Weather Center, meteorologist and executive producer, found a little factoid for us, which is cool. Yesterday was the coolest day we've had in August in 25 years.
Oh,
since
wow.
1992. That's what the that coastal storm, non-Irma, never was tropical, but gave us the rain and the chilly temperatures. Kind of crazy, huh? Now we'll bounce back to close to 80 today and in the 80s as we head through the weekend. Well, look at this gorgeous shot right now live. Yesterday when we showed you this picture of the Capitol wheel and the sky at National Harbor, I mean, it was just awful. You could barely make any details because it was so rainy and misty out, but it's gorgeous today. Still a bit on the cool side for this time of day on the 30th of August, but we'll do something about that this afternoon when we climb through the upper 70s to near 80s. Still, the air is very dry and very comfortable indeed. Not comfortable to folks now in Alabama and Georgia. Some lines of heavy showers getting ready to move into the Atlanta metro area. The circulation from Harvey now inland totally, and it's going to move to the north and then eventually the northeast and lay down a track of rain as it slowly begins to deteriorate. But in that process, still going to lay down some decent rainfall amounts. Close to 3 inches of rain expected in Shreveport, Louisiana, 3 inches in Paducah, Kentucky, almost that in Louisville. And then after that kind of weakens further. But the computer models that go out through the weekend continue to suggest that that circulation center may swing close enough to us Saturday to give us some rain and very cool temperatures. Overnight tonight will be partly cloudy, a quiet night in 67. Tomorrow, partly sunny in 82. But a cold front will approach during the day and could produce a few isolated showers. On Friday, just kind of a mixed bag of clouds and sun, but eventually it will turn overcast Friday afternoon to be much cooler, about 74 for a high. Now here's Irma's story. It developed off the west coast of Africa, the Cape Verde Islands, and according to the Hurricane Center, it will become a hurricane tomorrow morning and then track kind of the west-southwest as we get through Monday, Labor Day, not getting a lot stronger, about 90-mile-per-hour winds, but just using the evidence of water temperatures and air atmospheric conditions, it's certainly a possibility this could get even stronger as it head towards the eastern end of the Caribbean by the middle of next week. A lot to watch with that one. Labor Day, Saturday, inside stuff, I think, but Sunday it brightens up and turns warmer, and Labor Day proper, beautiful sunshine and 84 degrees. Here's our extended outlook. Show you the first few days, and then we'll wrap it up with our 10-day. A warming trend, except for Friday when it turns cooler and possibly rainy and cool on Saturday. And then we begin to warm up in the clearing through Sunday and Monday of next week. Looks nice, maybe a couple showers midweek, and then temperatures start to cool off again. So all during the summer here, as the weather was so cool at times in July and August, and then we started cooling off, think, well, maybe we're going to get another big heat wave in September. That could still happen, but there's no sign of it yet.
All right. Thanks so much,
Doug.
Right. All right, well, new twist in the ongoing congressional probe into alleged Russian meddling in the presidential election. Donald Trump Jr. has now agreed to testify privately before the Senate Judiciary Committee. He's expected to answer questions about his meeting last June with a Russian lawyer. The president's son was told he'd receive damaging information about Hillary Clinton, but that didn't happen. Democrats have pointed to the meeting to argue collusion between the Trump campaign and the Russian government. The Trump campaign has always denied that accusation. New developments now concerning another target of the Russia probe, former Trump campaign chairman Paul Manafort. Special counsel Robert Mueller is now issuing subpoenas to a former Manafort lawyer and to his current spokesperson. It is unclear what information the investigators believe the two may have, but Manafort worked on the Trump campaign for about 4.5 months. He resigned amid scrutiny over undisclosed payments for work he did on behalf of a former Ukrainian president. Well, coming up on ABC 7 News at noon, a computer glitch costing people food. Why an organization that distributes emergency food to the district is now suing the city, and the solution that may be on the way.
In celebration of our 45th birthday, get 45% off Maaco's most popular paint service and Meineke's oil change packages. A deal so good, you'll want to celebrate twice.
FH Fur, plumbing, heating, and electrical. Absolutely the best.
Have you been diagnosed with spinal stenosis, bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, or other chronic spine conditions? Are you ready to find lasting relief? Call Laser Spine Institute, the nation's leader in minimally invasive spine surgery, to learn how a less than 1-inch incision can have you up and walking within a few hours of surgery, free from chronic back pain and with no hospital stay and no lengthy recovery.
Call 1-800-881-BACK now for your no-cost MRI review.
Take your first step in joining over 60,000 patients who found lasting relief at Laser Spine Institute.
My boss would send me home because I was in excruciating pain. Going to Laser Spine Institute, I go in, I have the procedure, and walk out a changed person, good to go back to work. It's changed my life completely.
If you've been told you might need neck or back surgery, call 1-800-881-BACK now for your no-cost MRI review.
Laser Spine Institute, a less than 1-inch incision, a lifetime of standing tall.
It's the Lazy Boy Labor Day sale. We're finding great prices on great-looking furniture.